So are you watching this trying to decide if these OneTigris motorcycle gloves are good or if they are just one of those kind of knockoff things? I could tell you putting them on initially, my first feel is they feel really good. And then when you look at them, you could see they're kind of uniquely designed. Now, obviously you can use them for all different kinds of applications, that kind of stuff. They're listing them as motorcycle gloves. That's because they have a nice soft palm on them with padding where you'd be holding the handlebar. Additionally, beyond that, they're just like all those other work gloves where you have the nice protection on the back of your hand. Oh, they are touch sensitive. Watch this. I just tested them out before. I could control the camera. Sorry, I turned the camera off. Hit the wrong button. But obviously the touch sensitivity works. I think one of the other important things that you would want to know is how is the fit and finish, and these things almost feel like they were custom made for my hands. I am typically an XL. I ordered XLs. These were provided to me, I do have to tell you that, but I asked them to send XLs and they fit me perfectly. So what do you say we do a little bit of work on it? I got to fix this tire here. Let's give it a shot and then I'll come back. I'll let you know what my overall experience is, but I can tell you right now, my initial indication is really good. All right, let's do a little work. So this is the silliest final test for these gloves. You've seen me actually do some work on it where I don't want my dainty little hands to get pretty or worn out. You've heard me talk about the nice padding if you're a rider and you're protecting your palms on the grips. And then the final thing I wanted to show you, oh yeah, and I also told you that the touch screen I showed you was worked a little too well. But so here's the other thing. They're nice and flexible. You could do dexterous things like put this air cap back on there, super easy. No big deal. That's a win in my book. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.